Hi, welcome back. Another important session. So the topic today is, do you want to find advantages of adrv address table in SAP ECC or S4 HANA? Let's try to break this on system directly itself. Okay. Before that, I would like to ask only one thing. If you're not subscribed to kind and to get a value to your CV, to learn from me, and to get real-time tips like this, please subscribe my channel. And I'm holding 570 plus videos. And if you look at here, all these are the different kind of courses. I have totally 19 courses, out of which I personally recommend those people who already try and have a confusion in job trials, real-time idoc training with 5 scenarios. And if you come back, you can try this course like getting master to write functional specification. These two are very, very important in real time. You must subscribe these courses to get polish yourself before getting into the real time. Okay, if you have some doubts, this is my SD course and it will be continuously incremented. Currently, it is holding 103 hours course. I'm just providing these links below this video. If you really like it, you can subscribe these courses. Okay, let's come back. What I'm going to say today, SC16N. Let's go to adrv table. What is this? Address where user list table. What exactly it is? Okay, let's click here. What you are finding here? So these are the applicable table. ADR is address number, and this is application key, and this is some X is Warner they have given. So now if you look at here, so T001W, this is company code plan table. Okay. And the similar with T001, where exactly you can able to find this table. This table is your company code address table. This is plant and company code. You can say this is the plant address table. Probably you can see TVKO, okay, like this. TVST, different tables, K and VK, customer contact person. Okay, let's go below. Probably you can try like this. Okay, I'll try to filter with KNA1. This is our customer general address table, right? So in this also ADNR number is there. See, if you wanted to bring some logic, so based on address, you should like to pull the customer number, something like that. Okay, you can able to use this. So this is one of the finest and best table which I have seen. You can able to see this. You can find address number. This ADNR is the link for your actual this table and this field. Okay, let's try to find some address. Okay, for example, this is what you call 66658. Okay, let's copy this. What is this address? So now let's open another session. Okay, of course, it's not a key field, but still it has its own advantage. Certain a time, if we really wanted to bring the logic. Okay, so let's go to KN-A1. So which screen you are looking? Here at right screen. Okay, so now you can able to see ADR-NR. Okay, your address. You can able to find the address and the respective customer number. Okay, so now you can able to see this KN-A1. Okay, address number is this one. You can able to see this region, search number, customer number 2. Like that, if you have your own kind of customer address against customer, address against vendor, address against plant, address against your company code, address against your contact person, whatever you want. This is one of the finest and powerful invention link between your master data objects versus your address table. Okay, this is important. Make a note it down somewhere if you'd like to bring some logics such a cases, this is helpful to you. That's what I'm saying. Okay. Don't forget, please subscribe my channel if you really want more tips like this. And if you really wanted to be serious about your job and career in SAP SD, please catch hold of my Udemy courses. Okay. If you have any doubts, you can comment it. If you really like my video, please like it. Thank you so much. I wish you all the best. I continue with my videos. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. I wish you all the best. Jai Bharat. Okay. Closing time. Thank you.